Meaning of extent.
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 Extent. The word extent refers to the degree or scope to which something exists, happens, or is true. It is a measure of the size or range of something. The extent can refer to physical space, time, quantity, degree, or any other dimension of measurement. For example, if someone asks, "To what extent did you complete the project?" they are asking for an indication of how much of the project was finished. In general, the extent of something measures the limits or boundaries of its existence or influence.